Evie Kitty Pie, and today we're going to be opening another silly Squishies. So it's the silly Tarts, guys. So let's open it now. Now we open it like this, and now we're going to take it out. Also, guys, did you know that we can actually take this part off? So it's so colourful and soft, guys, and it's also slow rising and squishy. And here's the other part. It smells nice, guys. So guys, that's all for today, and we hope you enjoyed watching our silly Squishies. So make sure you click that like button and please subscribe for more videos. Bye!